Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Bianas and the spiritual of my permanent friends, spiritual of my teacher and my senior. Today I will explain about GERD atau asam lambung. Gestalt reflux disease or GERD is a term used to describe a change caused by a digestive tract disorder where stomach and acid rise into the esophagus. This backflow can cause you to feel a burning sensation under the breastbone, or known as heartburn. Acid reflux disease or GERD is a common disease in the human digestive system. But if left untreated, it can worsen digestive tract health to the point of disrupting daily activities among the general stomach organ. In fact, when viewed from the causative factors, alcohol and GERD are two different diseases. Acid reflux disease or GERD should also not be underestimated because it can cause dangerous complications. I think that's all. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.